happening, so I'll be able to inform you.
As the 48 hours deadline set by the Voice of the People's Party (VPP) demanding the state government to put on hold its job recruitment process expired, spokesperson of MDA government Dr. Ampreen Lingdor said that the state government will take its own time to decide on the reservation policy and the implementation of the roster system. She said the decision will only be taken after the return of the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Refusing to be put under pressure by anyone, she said the government will ensure all stakeholders are put on board and suggestions from everyone will be taken and looked at technically.
This is a matter which is very, very sensitive. We must tread very, very cautiously. It's fine if the member of the opposition puts this pressure on us, but we will take our time in deciding how to take this forward, because this is a very, very delicate matter. We don't want to see it going wrong. We need to make sure that all stakeholders are put on board. We take suggestions from everyone, make sure that these suggestions are looked at technically, and we will take up anything that is going to be positive and constructive.